Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to convert speech to text using speech recognition package in Python. So without getting late, let's get started. First of all, open any browser. I'm taking Chrome browser. Search speech recognition package in Python. You'll get this page and copy this command, paste it in CMD, run it. Because I already have this package, it is saying already satisfied. So for you, it will be installing this package. So then after, close the command prompt, close this browser, start an editor, and first command is importing the package. So we need to import this package, speech recognition, as SR or whatever name you want. So let's define a function which converts speech to text. Okay, speech to text is the function that we are calling, and let's say R is equal to SR dot recognizer. So R is the recognizer that you can say. So R is a recording where you can say instance of that recognizer, and with SR dot microphone we need to access a microphone, right? So device index is 1 as a source. So our microphone is our source, right? So we are taking source, and let's just print some debug command so that we can understand whether the system is listening or not. So the system is listening, and next we need to set the threshold of the R. Okay, whatever the recognizer is there, we have a threshold. It's like after some duration you will stop talking, right? So then it will take it as a threshold and it will start processing that audio into speech. Processing that audio into text. So let's take a new variable, audio is equals to r.listen of source. So this way you're getting audio from the source. So R is it's a recognizer object, and we are taking a listen event on the source. From microphone we are taking signals and storing it in audio. Okay, so audio variable. Let's come out of this with, and you can print a debug statement so that we can understand it is recognizing. So recognizing the voice or whatever you want, recognizing just whatever the audio is there, we need to convert it to text. So just r dot recognize Google. So we are using recognizer Google so that we can convert that audio to Google's language. So that's it, we are done almost. Let's just print at last. You can say, use f string, and user said, let's just use query as a variable. That's it, we are done. And just return that query to the main statement, whatever it is calling. Now you can call speech to text. So that's it, we are done. If you start trying to execute this program, you'll get the result. Class of Python. Please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and projects. Class of Python, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and projects. Thank you.